Well, so far so good. Some really old wood, but it's all good though. Here's the other area right here. So, yep, I patched that one right there, second from the last. But yeah, I can't wait for this to finish, and it's gonna look good. I went ahead and secured my chicken coop. This morning, Cardi came out, so she went out of there because they always go to that ledge right there, stand there, and flies out. We have a lot of foxes here, coyotes, and some stray dogs that people, I don't know why they do that. They leave them here in the desert to fend for themselves and eventually die. It's just sad. But of course, you know, they look for food. They look for anything that they can eat. You know, I don't blame them. You know, our neighbors' chickens were eaten by the dogs too. So let's take a closer look here. Yeah, I went ahead and put this extra wire that I been using for my plants, my trees. So hopefully that's going to prevent them from going up here and flying down or flying up. So some of the boards I secured it as well. I put extra nails on it because it's falling down. It's an old, you see that? Yeah, that's what they do. But I might have to put another one up here because sometimes I caught them go up here and fly out. So I'm gonna put one more right here just in case, you know, prevent them from going out. Probably right there too. See that? Yeah, that's Cardi right there. That's the one that's the bad girl that always goes out. And that's Nikki. No, that's Nikki. And that's Cardi. Sorry. So Nikki's the one that goes out all the time. Huh? You want to be eaten by animals? Do you? Anyway, guys, I'm gonna secure it a little bit more. The wind is blowing. We're gonna have rain Saturday and Sunday, so I think it's probably gonna be a big storm. So I'm trying to secure everything. Right now it's very windy. Cold front is coming, rain is gonna come, so I have to secure the generator too, make sure it doesn't get wet. So I got a tarp. We'll see what I can do. Well, time to fill up some more of the water jugs. So if I need to get more water, it'll be available. So this is what I do, guys. I fill this up. I got five 5-gallon containers. Then I have all these 1-gallon containers that I fill up with, so I can monitor how much water that I use for my plants. And yeah, it's just one of those recycled orange juice containers. This is good because it's very sturdy and tough. So I use this instead of spending money to get a gallon containers. Like in this case right here, this is so weak, and you spend money on this. Might as well buy orange juice, you know, for good vitamin C, and reuse that container, just like so. So yeah, it's all good because it's reusable. You don't have to throw it away or whatnot. I don't know if you can even recycle this. Probably could, but that's what I use. So we go to the store and buy water, The water is usually what, $1.50 for 5 gallon. So I'm doing that for now until my wife and I get the, what do you call that, water well fixed, and so we don't have to rely on the stores and getting the water there, and it's going to be more easier for us to just go to the well and get water. So hopefully we'll get that done soon, hopefully next year. But I'm trying to prepare, make sure nothing gets blown away, nothing gets wet that doesn't need to get wet. And also hopefully if it rains hard, we'll get some water in the pond and get it filled, you know, wishing that. Probably not, but so I can put some fish in there and all that. It's crazy. Even one of my fig tree fell right there. So hopefully the stake will keep it up. It's kind of leaning right now. I gotta do something on this. So far, this is what I have done. I did the front and also here on the other side. Let me show you. So that's done as well. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna be doing the sides on both area. So that one's gonna take a little bit longer. So hopefully it'll be done soon. I'll get more pallets and I'll have a complete fence around our area.